Within the project, our initial remit was that we were looking to trial the learning platform within a 12-month period, thinking of having this experience under our belt and evaluated prior to BET. However, that in itself was a learning journey, in that I wouldn't imagine that anyone could incorporate such a diverse set of functionality, procedures, the preparation, the protocols required, and a working party group understanding how we're going to use this technology to benefit everyone couldn't possibly be achieved within 12 months. So the lessons that I've learned through this project is that in future I would look towards a 3-year rolling plan, whereby within the first few months I would look at establishing a working group, be that local level, look at the cluster or school, having a voice to contribute towards the overall. Key people looking at the protocols. How, now that we've completed our self-review framework, how is this product going to assist us to work towards our overall vision? From that point onwards, I would then look towards a cluster and school with also additional services. Don't forget, you could be incorporating here social services, child welfare elements. There are other supporting fields that will all work towards the whole child, that every child matters element. Having these key personnel, building their skills and working on a teacher-centric model. Then, through these champions, confident in their areas, I would cascade out, but it would always be a rippling effect. You will not have success by inviting everyone to a ballroom party and then asking them to choose their partners. They need to have some steps, some guidance, and some success that you've already trialled to work upon and then learn together. After that, I'd be looking 12 months, perhaps 18 months of joining the pupils. Especially if you're thinking primary to secondary or perhaps further education, you have different user needs. You need to be aware of that. You may be covering them all within a local authority. How will you address those needs? And finally, I would be engaging parents when I know that the expectations that they quite rightly would expect can be met, and that there will be cause for celebration because you've taken that journey and you're actually very sure before you roll out and cascade it further. You have to be prepared. I would not rush into a 12-month and a 2-year experience again. We've had some very good positive feedback to it. I wouldn't change that, but I've certainly learned from it.